Hi friends, how are you doing? I'm Rohan and I'm from Codingfrat. So in this video I will show you how you can get most out of this Codingfrat beta version. I must tell you that Codingfrat is an initiative by Epic Lancers and it's a free initiative. So I was telling you how you can get most out of Codingfrat's beta version. So for this you just need to go to the resource section and go you must go to the resource section before you start any of the courses which are listed here. So in the resource section you will see five drop down menus. One is go through this before you start learning how to code. This is the first page you have to visit. Second is how to get most out of Codingfrat's beta version. Third is basic terms to know before you start learning programming. And fourth is download section, and fifth is FAQs in programming. So let's go to each of the pages here and let me tell you what they exactly are. So this is the page. Go through this before you start learning how to code. So in this page we will you will here are all those links which you have to visit, and in this and by visiting all these links you will know what exactly computer is, how does it work. It's all about basics of computer and internet, and what is website. So when you will click on this how does a computer work, when you visit this page you will see how a video which will tell you how exactly computer works, and same thing with how does internet work, same thing with how does website work. All this you will find videos on all the pages, and we have added video because we understand we are also a student and we know how good it is to learn if we are having a visual impact. So that's why we have posted videos here. So see, how does a computer work? There's a small text and there's a video. So just click on this video, it will start and it will tell you how computer works. So this was a page which will tell you how does a computer work, and similarly you have to visit all these pages, and after visiting these pages you will get you will know something about, you will know most of the thing about, you will know most of the thing about computers and how does they work. Like you will also know what is web pages, what are server side languages, what is domain and hosting, which are basics of coding or web development or maybe computers. So you will learn basics of computer here. And let's go to other page, which is how to get most out of Codingfrat's beta version. So in this page we have added a series, and you have to follow, and there are two series, and you have to follow one of the series to get most out of Codingfrat's beta version. So these are the courses which you have to complete one after other. Like this is the first series and second series is below after it. So in first series says that you have to complete basics of computer first, and then HTML and CSS, and all these things are hyperlinked with the courses which are listed here. So when you will click on basics of computer, you will go to the course page of basics of computer, and before doing all those things you must need to sign in or create your student's account here. So basics of computer, this is the page where you will learn basics of computer. So just click on start course, and you will you will be redirected to the page where you will learn about the basics of computer. So you can see the curriculum here. You just click on this plus menu, and here, and after clicking here you will see all those things which we will cover. So here there are 6 lectures, and each of 1 hour 39 minutes. And I know 1 hour 39 minute is a bit boring thing, but in order to make a building you just need to you need to gather bricks and all. So that's what you will do here. So here are the list of, and after completing basics of computer, just go to just you after completing this course you have to complete HTML and CSS, and then bootstrap, jQuery, JavaScript, and all these things subsequently. And one more thing, when you will reach to WordPress, after completing WordPress we have added a course which will teach you how to create an e-commerce website using WordPress. So it will be an amazing experience for you. and after and you can create websites like Amazon and Flipkart. And actually when I learned this topic, how to create a website like e-commerce website, I created this website, and it I made it live online, and I showed to my friends and family members, and they all were amazed. So you can also show off to your friends, family, and anyone about your skills. So this is the bonus section which we have added. So after completing WordPress, just visit PrestaShop, Dreamweaver, Magento, and this is the first and the last course here is Adobe After Effects. This is for beginners. So this there are 19 courses which you have to complete in order to become a web developer, a proficient web developer. And it's all about web development. You will learn basics of computer, HTML and CSS, bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery. These are all most of the languages here are web development languages. And Swift is there, which is a language which is used to code applications for iPhone or Apple smartphones, sorry, Apple iPhones. So second way, so here's the second way. Second way to start enrolling into courses to get most out of Codingfrat beta version. So this is the second way. You can either follow this way to start enrolling into course, or this way to start enrolling into course. So the second way is most preferable way, as you will start from basics of computer, and you will go straightly into programming, into deep programming. And instead of going to web development like HTML, CSS, which are actually very easy languages which computer understands, which are it's easy for us, not for computer. All languages are equally strengthy for computer. So it's the first section is easier for us, and the second is not also too hard, because everything you will learn is by doing. There's no theory, nothing. You will just learn by seeing, and you will learn by those people who are actually doing. They will be showing you how they are doing, how they are developing apps and all. So there's no worry. Second way is also easy. So here you will learn programming, deep programming. And after and the some of the courses which are here are Ruby on Rails, the complete Java developer course, learn step by step Android tutorial, make app that sells, C++, Visual Basic. And after completing all the hardcore programming languages, we will take you to the basics like HTML, CSS, which are web development languages. And these which are web development languages, and above these languages are actually software development languages, software application development languages. So after developing software, we will teach you how you can it's good, because after you develop a software, your first software, you can post it on website. You want the world to know, and you will only be able to tell people about your softwares by creating a website. So you will learn how to create websites after creating your first software, and you can post that software online. And you will learn creating websites after the programming languages, hardcore programming languages. So you will learn web development languages after hardcore programming. And I among both of these, I would personally prefer second method, as it will make you a job ready web developer. So it depends on you which method you go for, but second method is second sequence is more personally preferred by me, because it makes you a job ready web developer. You starts with software development, application development, and then you move to website development. And and the first way is for kids, for normal kids age between for the age group of 5 to 12 years, and the second method is for the age group of 12 to 18 years. So it's not there is no such rule that you can only, if you are 8 years old, you can't go to second sequence. You can go, and every course is in English. So it's good, it's very good, you can easily understand, I believe. So this was the second page, how where you will which will let you know how to you can get most out of Coding Fred beta version. So So the third page is basic terms to know before you start program learning programming. So after visiting that second page, just don't go to those courses and start learning. Start learning. Just come to this page, get to know about all those basic terms. Just click here. What is computer program? Just go through it once, and you will easily understand, and you will you will know what exactly is computer program. Because right now what I'm seeing is most of the programmers, most of the graduates did programming and all, but if you ask what exactly is programming, they will hesitate to tell you, or you will ask what is bootstraps. So it doesn't make sense to learn programming if you don't know the definition of coding or programming, because they have never been taught that what is programming, or they didn't uh, attended those classes. So here you will learn all those basic terms. So go through this before you start enrolling into any of the course, or start any of the courses. So what is CMS, what is content management system, what is WordPress, all the basic things you will learn here. C++, Java. So just go through it once, and go through this, and it's more than enough. And the fourth section is download section. So in this page you will find all those software, all those open source software which are actually required for coding, like Notepad++ is a text editor which you will require for coding HTML, which for creating websites. You can code HTML, HTML, CSS here. And Bracket is also a text editor. And XAMPP is used for creating local host. WordPress is another software. So all these are the software which you will require when you are into courses. So you can just visit to the websites of this software, and you can download it from there. Like I have these links, everything is hyperlinked with the main website. So Notepad++ will take you here, and you can easily download Notepad++ plus from here by clicking here. So it's easy. So this was the fifth, this was the fourth part, and the fifth part is coding threats frequently asked questions. So you will all the FAQs are already been answered here, and if you want more, just let us know. We will definitely add it here, so that it will be easier for everyone to read. So you will learn who we are, what is coding, why this program is free, how will coding help a child in a school, our school already covers coding, do I still need to sign up for this program, means all the frequently asked questions will be answered here, or are already answered here. So just go through this, and this is all in this video. So mm, so you must need to visit all those pages before you dive into any of those courses listed on the coding thread. So thank you friends, hope to see you inside.